you thinking about selling your home, but you're worried Uncle Sam is going to take a big bite out of your profit? Well, let's talk about capital gains tax in really simple terms. Hi, I'm Heather Ann. I am a local realtor here in Cherokee County. I am not a CPA, but I do help sellers walk through this all the time, and I want you to understand the basics as well. What is capital gains tax? When you sell your home for more than you put into it, the profit can be taxed. That profit is called a capital gain. To calculate your capital gains, it's very simple. You start with what you paid for the home, then you add big improvements that you've done to the home, like a new roof, a finished basement, or a kitchen remodel. Then we're going to look at what you sell it for and subtract your closing costs, like commissions and other costs, and what's left is your gain. When you usually don't pay capital gains tax is if the home is your primary residence and you've owned it and lived in it for at least 2 years and you haven't used the home sale exemption in the last 2 years either. Then the IRS lets you exclude up to $250,000 of profit if you're single and up to $500,000 if you're married filing jointly. If your profit is under those amounts and you meet those rules, you usually don't owe federal capital gains tax on the sale of your home. So you may owe capital gains tax if your profit is more than $250,000 single or $500,000 married filed jointly, the home was not your primary residence, or you didn't meet that 2-year rule. Every situation is a little different, so double check with your tax professional, especially if you believe that you will need to pay capital gains taxes, but that's a separate calculation. If you are in Cherokee County and you want to see how much you'd actually walk away with after selling, send me a message and I'll run the numbers with you and we will take a look together as to whether we think you will owe capital gains taxes. I'm Heather Ann, your go-to real estate partner here in Cherokee County.